How to make money from playing video games. Gaming represents a broad spectrum of activities, from eSports to online gambling and regular streaming. It is one of the new gold mines for making money online. However, correctly planning a working strategy can be tricky for inexperienced gamers, as the industry is highly competitive. A recent market forecast by Newzoo revealed that there are currently over 3 billion gamers worldwide as of 2022. This number keeps growing year by year, same as the alternatives way of money making. Unlike in the past, there are numerous ways to make money through gambling. In this video, we will elaborate on some of the best alternatives for gamers to make money regardless of experience. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important updates just like this one. Here are the alternative ways through which you can make money by playing games. Number 1. Game testing is one of the most lucrative ways to make money. As a game tester, you play video games, test all features, identify flaws and give detailed and honest reviews on your thoughts. Companies pay testers to provide feedbacks before the official release of games, and listings are always available on freelance sites. Game testing is also very popular in online casinos, and most smart gamers make a fortune from it. All the major game studios, in partnership with the top independent casino sites, carry out this process before publicly releasing games. Testers check out game optimization, bonus usability, and other technical areas of casino games. Almost every new casino UK and other world regions supports good partnerships with these top studios. Thus, there are always new exclusive releases available. You can email these online gambling companies to notify them of your services or look out for job listings on major job listing sites. Number 2. Create a blog. You can always make extra money by creating a gaming blog if you have good writing skills and a great passion for the gambling industry. Unlike in the past, it is now easy to create a blog. With the right hosting plan, you can host a WordPress blog and write on interesting topics that may capture readers' attention. Blogs do not kick off immediately, so it takes about 6+ months to start making money. However, in the long run, a blog is one of the most profitable ways to make money. There are numerous earning possibilities, as you can also earn by recommending the latest gaming products, devices and equipment to readers. Number 3. Play blockchain games. Blockchain gaming is the new trend. It allows players to earn real cryptos and NFTs by playing fun games. And earn real money. Undeed is one of these blockchain games making waves today. It is an addictive farm-based game which allows players to earn PVU tokens, which are currently valued at 10 US cents. Players can also craft specialized plants, which they can sell as NFTs on the marketplace. Number 4. Become a streamer. One of the easiest ways to monetize yourself is by becoming a streamer. Numerous platforms like YouTube and Twitch allow players to post videos and start live streaming sessions. Players earn by receiving donations from followers on Twitch. On YouTube, there are other options like ads revenue, donations and channel memberships. Though being a streamer can be highly profitable, it requires much patience, as it takes some time to grow a large follower. The gaming industry grows rapidly, as do new technologies and ways to earn. Other than the methods listed in this video, there are many different ways gamers can make money through gaming. However, the ones listed here are some of the best proven techniques from our research. Starting a blog or becoming a streamer is best for gamers with patience, as it takes quite a few months to start seeing results. However, both methods have the highest earning potential in the long run. Playing blockchain games or becoming a game tester is a good idea for faster earning. Overall, there are so many ways to make money through gaming. As long as you are a good gamer with a passion for games, you are good to go. That will be all for today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.